name is Tom Crable, the owner of Medora Building Company, a general contracting company in Livonia, Michigan. And my wife and I just recently purchased 20 acres here in Superior Township. The property that we purchased is abandoned farmland, probably about 40 years now, so it's mainly comprised of shrub, they refer to it as. A lot of buckthorn, which is an invasive species, a lot of dogwood, so first thing I did was went out and bought a big tractor with a bush hog, and it's about 5 feet, and that serves its purpose in some cases, but what we found is that the brush rover is quite a bit more selective and very versatile as far as getting in and selectively trimming out some of the invasive species so that we can plant new trees, desirable trees. So the brush rover is very compact and agile. I'm able to, if I have an existing tree that I've planted, I'm able to pretty much cut within 6 inches of that tree all the way around it with just a quick, couple quick turns. What we found was that the bush hog that's tractor mounted certainly does its job, but the brush rover does every bit as much, and we take down inch to inch and a half saplings without any trouble at all. Sometimes I don't bother to hook up the bush hog anymore because we can mow large areas with the brush rover, but we're also able to get into very tight spots. Also pretty impressed with the terrain that it will cover. We've got a lot of slopes, and this was an old farm field that's kind of rutted up, and it doesn't seem to have any issues going through those areas. So when I first picked it up, I was told that I was going to be surprised how much fun I was going to have on it, and I can't say I've had a whole lot of fun on any farm equipment really, but once you get on it, you find out real quickly that you don't want to come in for dinner.